Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. If you keep up with all the videos, then you'll notice that I'm wearing the same clothes as I just filmed the outro in the other video on. No, I don't wear the same clothes every day. This is just literally 5 seconds later, but I needed to wrap up that video. So today we're gonna get started on a few tasks. We're doing Mike's pedal wiring, and then my car sprung a leak. So yeah, let's take a look. So basically what happened was I got this oil pan. Yay, this is the 8 HP aluminum oil pan. Comes with drain, that's nice. These are plastic from the factory. They have a built-in filter. So basically they're disposable from the factory. Every time you do a fluid change, you would just throw this away. So I threw my plastic one away and then installed this nice aluminum one, and what happened was it started leaking immediately. There's a crack in the fin. It was like a hairline crack. I couldn't see it. Yeah, so basically I filled it up with oil the other day, and you guys saw from the last video there's been some teething pains just with the CAN messaging. And I've kind of just RTV'd the bottom because I was like, I need to get, you know, HTG their data whenever they need it. I'm basically at their beck and call right now. So I've just been letting underneath just puddle on the floor. And that's not a responsible car owner thing to do. So today we're gonna throw it up on the lift. They're probably sleeping right now in Poland. So I'm gonna try to squeeze out a few things before we get back to them. So yeah, we'll throw this on the lift and we'll show you what happened.
All right, getting out of 1235i to film another, or BMW stuff. So we got this thing working. It of course wanted to fight back the entire time with some throttle signal issues, but we got that sorted out. Cause was some dirty grounds. So here's Chris with the 8-speed backing it up. This is totally a bass tune. Take up is still pretty good. Just gonna pull onto the lift so we can I think change the pan over. Good? That looks pretty good. What do you think, guys? No limp mode? No nothing?
No. Still just shifting whenever it wants to, but...
Yeah, I don't know why it thinks it's an auto mode.
I don't think it thinks it's in auto mode. I think that there's a CAN message that they think is something else.
Yeah,
and it's really shift.
Yeah, yeah.
And
it's something else's.
Yeah, it could be like RPM, or I don't even know.
No, it's nothing on RPM, but it's something else.
Yeah, but it's something stupid.
It's shifting it's on the preset or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But so right now we had the original problem was some throttle interference. Turns out that was a dirty ground. That took like 8 years to figure out.
Stupid. I don't even know what it was. It just like is a ground somewhere, and you're like, well, how many grounds do you have in a car? And then you're like, wow, I have a lot of grounds in the car. And you're just like, and they're just like, well, you have a ground issue, and I'm just like, you're not like can you tell where? They're just like, no, and I'm just like, oh.
Yeah. So we spent a lot of hours checking grounds, so it's okay. We kept oming them out. They were a lot of help, and now she runs sweet. Basically just waiting on the final update with that auto shifting thing going on, and she's ready to roll. And,
I mean, it should, like, the fact that like it can drive after you get past like it thinking it wants to go to like 4th gear, you can drive up and down the road.
Oh, yeah,
and you can upshift and downshift and do whatever, but it just like in the parking lot, it's just like you should be in 4th gear, 5th gear, and I don't have a gear indicator, so I'm just like,
just give me first.
Yeah. The reverse works really sweet though.
Yeah.
Like I could put it in reverse and just drive around backwards. Yeah. And it would be like perfectly smooth. Take-up's not even bad in reverse.
No, take-up's pretty good. It's a lot better than from the factory than like I expect. Not from the factory, but from the base map than what I expected. I guess that's the upside of the auto over the DCT.
Yeah. All right, engine's up on the lift. Let's look at we're about to drain, but we'll look at our nice JB Weld patch job. That's just what you gotta do in crunch time. But yeah, that's 8 HP. See the nice Adamat adapter plate, my fresh oil pan, and my fresh transmission oil pan that is the least from fresh possible. But all right, let's drain the fluid and swap pans. Try to keep as much fluid, clean this out, super sweet, just because this fluid has maybe 3.5 miles on it, so should be fresh.
All right, Mike got the camera. We just got my car started, running, warmed up, got the GCT adaptation done. Such a relief, holy beep. So good, but even cooler, we just got a bunch of adapters in from Adamat for the GCT on the 135i, sprung hub flywheel for the 8-bolt cranks, and also the 8HP50 flex plate adapter. Excuse me, I need some Mediterranean.
Wow, just you throw it up on camera?
I feel like I'm gonna die. Anyway though, Chris's car is literally working. Oh, let's check that value out on the laptop on yours. The lip value thing. But Chris's car is actually working, so I think we gotta give you guys a taste of what it's like to drive in an 8 speed. Basically the hardest part with Chris's car is we had like a bad alternator or something, so we had a bunch of frequency on, I'm sorry, not frequency, we had a bunch of interference on the throttle signals. Why? Who knows? We're still battling a little bit, but it's much better. I don't know why that was an issue. I think it's just an issue with Chris's car because we measured it on other cars and didn't have any issues. Maybe it's
talking shit about my car.
Yeah, I am. Maybe it's the coils that are flopping around the engine bay.
Everyone's blaming the coils. Like I'm still rocking Precision Raceworks like it's 2012 over here. They just work, but apparently they don't work anymore. I don't know.
So what you're gonna need to do is go into the configuration. Oh wow.
Me?
Yeah, here, I'll show you what to do. You don't even have to start it up yet.
Dude, I thought you were assembling your steering wheel.
Me?
Yeah.
You gotta wire the dude.
Oh.
Alright, go to Sweet.
Sweet. Sweet.
Did you ever go fill this thing with gas?
Oh my god, I want to kill myself.
Fucking hate laptops. I'm a desktop person. I'm such a boomer.
What'd you say, Sean?
I did go fill it, yeah. I drove it for like an hour today.
Dude, it's so fuel efficient.
Alright, now go to GCU. Download configuration. Okay, now go to turn off maps and then turn on like configuration, I think. Review.
Car
IO
holds the heat pretty well.
Dude, it's hot
No,
in here.
close configuration.
Let me just... I'm sweating like a horse.
Go to assignment, sorry.
GCU. View. Close IO.
Yeah.
View. IO assignments.
Okay, so see pedal position. Now click that. Click it again. Fucking hell, this fucking thing. Cool.
What does this do?
It's gonna make the lips and stuff better, apparently.
Will you get downshift?
I can downshift fine.
Let's just view data logger. Oh yeah, okay, turn your data. Let's just make sure it's working. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Definitely reset your GCU though first.
There's only like 82 procedures to start my car.
Nobody's ever gonna steal it.
No, I could like even probably tell you how to steal
You know,
it.
Jeff's over there with the El Camino with like 18 hidden switches, like it's the Thunder, like it's Mad Max Thunder Road, whatever it is.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
All right, let's just look at PPS.
How do I do that?
No, just like look on.
Oh, on mine?
Yeah, and then bring up.
Well, that's a
throttle 1 here.
Oh man, you're missing out on point 4.
Where's the throttle 1? Here it is. All right, yeah, give us some gas.
Well, you gotta go control control E.
Shift E.
Shift E.
All right. Oh yeah, we're fucking sick, dude.
Holy moly!
So what kind of magic do you use?
So apparently the car was referencing the other thing instead of the actual one. So
Good
Yeah,
thing
use
YouTube
more
doesn't
words
even
than
understand this, because with your description.
we got it handled. Don't worry about it. Just let us know. We'll set that
All
up for
right.
you.
I guess. Do we need this right now or
No, you're good now.
All right. You want to hop in and we'll go for a drive?
Yeah, let's do 8-speed stuff.
All right. Here, Sean, take a laptop, please.
I thought you were logging.
No, I don't need it.
Trunk feels like it's held down with a toothpick. All right. All right.
You want a seatbelt?
I'll take one. I used to always think of those guys with the throttle pedal that sticks.
I know. You're gonna have to pull the center crotchy thing out.
Whatever.
You just like hold for like.
Just don't crash.
Okay. All right, we're in the car. I have paddly boys. This is the wire to the paddly boys.
Hold on, I gotta zoom out. No, I can't zoom out.
No.
Yeah, it's the wire. The paddle boys aren't hooked up yet, but we have
This is
this.
them.
This is a sequential shifter.
Don't. Okay. Well, if you do think.
Now we're in drive.
Now we're in drive. So if you hold it, we go to drive. So, all right. Then we leave the building, and then I click.
Second
We
gear.
shift to second. Right. It's a car. And go around. So the only hard part right now is I never know what gear I'm in, and I lose count like basically instantly. So it just drives like a car.
Yeah, so smooth, super smooth. And this is the just closed loop tuning, no actual
Yeah,
tuning.
this is like.
This is all auto tune. All right, we're going to church, guys.
We're going to church. All right, we'll rip on it one time.
All right.
I promise we'll keep the traction control on. All right, ready?
Yeah. Holy shit! Yeah, it definitely fucking shreds. Definitely shreds.
It shifts like it fucking works. Like
Yeah, that was shredded.
this is like one day of just auto tune. So you just literally drive around and it just adapts to how you drive. So like this one drives for my driving style. Like everyone's is a little different. So with closed loop, right? Like
Yeah, there's like one table I think you can change the numbers in, which affects how hard the shifts are.
well, you do RPM drop, right? So you set per gear how fast you want RPMs to go up or down during the shifts,
Oh, all right.
according to torque. So it's torque's the other axis. So at full load, RPMs drop really fast because you're flying. But at low loads, RPMs drop slow so that it's smooth and it feels nice.
Okay, so idiot version, you put a really high number if you wanted to like kick
Be
hard.
aggressive.
If you put a low number if you're chilling. You're chilling. Dude, I'm happy with this.
Yeah, I'm like super happy.
Like, stop for a second. I'm gonna show everybody the take up and reverse and forward. So they see how smooth it actually is.
Yeah, I'll do both. All right, drive.
All right, this is drive.
This is drive. You ready? Drive.
It works like OEM.
It's like a car.
It's like we have a Grand Cherokee, and we're about to go pick up the kids from soccer practice.
It literally, you can't complain, right? Like there's,
Yeah.
like if you're complaining about, you can like, I'm like, all right, you ready? Like you can even do close up, right? So I hit my sweet neutral button down here right now.
Yeah, this is, so by the way, you can use an OEM shifter. We just have this set up for race car stuff.
You should use this because it's fucking sweet, right? Like so you're in the car with me basically. I let my foot off the brake and we start rolling.
Boom. Look at it.
And it just goes, and then I can. And I can tap the gas and it accelerates, right? Like,
Goodbye, Chris. Oh, there he goes.
well, I'm stopping for you. But, and then like, okay, so I didn't even do anything, right? Like I'm still in gear. Like I can come to a stop. It's not like
Yeah, there's no funny business.
it's not like anything. Like I can even shift up and start. Ready? I'm in second.
Yeah, go. So good. I mean, HTGs have their up and downs, but I gotta say the new updates are so good. Like
And
this.
so I can start in second gear, and I'm still stopped in second gear, right? Like there's
Yeah.
no hard downshift to first in gear, like.
No. It's
And
pretty-
like everyone, like starting in first gear is useless, right? So like I most of the time start in second. It's just easier. I can actually accelerate to like 40 miles an hour before I have to.
Yeah. I think
Well-
first gear goes to 28 or something now.
It's stupid.
Go max out first gear.
Just max out first gear.
Yeah.
Second gear looks pretty useless too.
Well, with tires that bald on slightly wet pavement, I'd say so too. Man, it's the raining. It's been on and off rain all day. It's just drizzling now.
Dried out this much in between.
Yeah, for real. Look at that storm coming. It's hard. You can't even see it on the thing, but it's dark over there. Fly by. This AP brake's working hard.
Does he have it set up so he could do auto mode yet? Or no? Like a button?
No, we turned it all off just for now to set the shift schedule based on. Ooh. He's doing donuts. He's doing donuts with an 8-speed. He was just doing donuts. Sounds like a gunshot when this thing comes by. Were you just doing donuts?
Yeah.
How awesome!
Doing donuts.
How awesome is that?
She fucking runs good.
Heck yeah. So good. So yeah, the auto shift schedule is based on mile per hour. So, but we just turned it all off for now.
Taking into account throttle at all?
Oh, it does. It's TPS mile an hour.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I just used the 8 to tank of gas though.
Oh man. All right. Should we go do a little recap of the E46? People actually know what's going on with it now.
Yeah, let's go outside.
All right. Cool.
It's also raining.
Yeah. All right. Inside we go. Yeah, for real.